In this video, I'd like to show you how we clean a dome roof tank, both the sidewalls and the roof. We're blasting the sidewalls first, as you can see. This is a 55-foot diameter by 90-foot tall tank, and it's a lead abatement job. We're moving at approximately 25 foot per minute and providing a commercial finish at a 3 to 3.5 mil profile. The cleaning path is 3 foot wide, and I'm leaving a strip here of paint so you can see the true width of the blast. The two 30 horsepower blast motors are located side by side, each cleaning an 18-inch wide path. You can see here why we call it the FasterBlaster. 3 minutes into this video, the machine will be at the top of the tank. This is a cleaning rate of over 75 square foot per minute, or 4,500 square foot per hour. No other blast cleaning method or machine can even come close to this production. The FasterBlaster is also the only shot blast machine, other than our VersaBlast unit, that can clean both vertical and horizontal surfaces and can clean the sloping dome roof of a tank. It also comes apart to fit through a 24-inch diameter manhole to clean the inside walls and floor of the tank. The machine is held to the wall by the vacuum from the dust collector. Since there's no magnets required, the system can also be used on vertical concrete walls, as well, of course, as concrete floors. The machine is supported by an aluminum fixture and hoist arrangement. The fixture rides on 4 tires which move around in a circle on the roof of the tank. One of the tires is driven by a variable speed DC motor which is operated from a handheld wireless remote control. The fixture is secured by 2 3/8 cables which attach around the center vent of the tank. The hoist has 2 cables which attach to the machine. The hoist is driven by a variable frequency drive which is operated from the remote control. The hoist speed is adjustable from 0 to 30 foot per minute. This speed arrangement allows the machine to provide all cleaning for all specifications from brush blast to white metal. When we reach the top of the tank, the fixture is moved approximately 3 foot using the remote control, and then the unit makes its downward pass. This process continues until the walls are completed. We're just about to complete the walls on this tank after a day and a half of blasting. The painters are following around behind the machine, and they'll also complete the primer coat today. The media being used is 50-50 mix of S330 and S390 steel shot. It'll take about 1,000 pounds of shot to blast clean both the walls and the roof, or about $400 worth. The shot stays in the machine and is recycled over and over until it breaks down enough to be drawn out as dust. During the recycling process, an air wash system separates the paint dust from the heavier shot. The paint dust, rust, and spent shot is carried down to the dust collector through a 6-inch diameter hose. The dust collector, shown here, automatically deposits the dust in a 55-gallon drum. When the drum is full, it is detached, capped, and a new drum is again attached to the dust collector. The total disposable waste from this tank will be 3 drums, already containerized and ready for disposal. Now I'm going to attempt to show you the operation with the remote control. Bear with me, I'm trying to get the remote within the range of the camera, hold the camera and run the machine at the same time. To start the hoist moving upward, you push the up button, then let it go. To stop, you push it again. To lower the machine, push the hoist down button, then to stop, push it again. You can also start and stop the blast and operate the e-stop from the remote control. The right-hand switch at the bottom increases the speed by 1 cycle each time you push it. If you hold it down, it will increase up to a full speed of 60 cycle or 30 foot per minute. Each time you push the left button, the speed of the hoist will slow down by 1 cycle, and if you hold it down, it'll slow to a stop. When the system is switched from vertical to horizontal mode at the main control panel, the bottom buttons steer the machine as it moves along the roof or floor, and the hoist buttons are non-functional. At the top, you stop the upper travel and push the fixture left or right button to move the machine over for the next pass. Then press hoist down to start the downward pass. Once the sidewalls are completed, we attach the tires for horizontal operation and pull the unit up on the roof with the hoist system. After attaching an adjustable chain support to the machine, we reposition the fixture and lift the dust collector to the top edge of the tank, so the power cables and the exhaust hose can be stretched around the center vent and back to the machine. The FasterBlaster then moves around in a circle, cleaning the roof. After a pass is completed, the machine is ratcheted up the slope for the next pass around. It took only 1 morning to complete this roof. There is little or no shot leakage around the seal. This cleaning process is the most cost-effective method of surface preparation. The cost of the shot is minimal as compared to the tons of sand, copper slag, or black beauty required to clean this tank in the conventional manner. The cost of major containment has also been eliminated. Only small containments are used to complete the minor cut-in areas that the machine can't clean, and there is no cleanup required. And how many labor hours would be required to clean this tank in the conventional manner? The tank was cleaned by 1 man in 2 days of blasting. If you have a tank coming up, give me a call so we can discuss your application. We provide on-site training on your first project free of charge. And after seeing this system operate, if you're not 100% satisfied, we'll return your down payment. We can also provide financing through several leasing firms. Thanks for taking the time to view our video, and I hope to be talking with you real soon. I'm Bob Watkin. Office number is 770-251-8989. Cell phone is 770-757-4944.